Please give us a brief introduction.
A very good morning, sir. I am Vishwarsha Samal. I am from Baripada town, district Mayurbhanj. And sir, I have completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Baripada Lakshmi Poshi. I completed my plus 2 in science from Kendriya Vidyalaya Baripada, and I am graduated from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology in branch forestry. So I have completed my MSc from Indira Gandhi Agricultural University, Raipur, with a gold medal in forestry, and I hold a net qualification in agroforestry, and presently I am a PhD research scholar in Indira Gandhi Agricultural University. And sir, my hobbies are anchoring and making friends and counseling them, and my father was former judge in District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum, and presently he is working as a senior lawyer in District Court as well as in High Court, and my mother is a teacher.
Okay. A particular structure okay.
Okay,
sir. Environment maintain kariya pai na mona kochuni koya pai domicile ta mona kochuni koya pai jila ro achi that they can make out from here, or if they ask you your home district and all plus family details totally diya hoga.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Okay.
तो तार चारिटा component रोची formal introduction. First चला अपन start करेंगे highest qualification. Okay. पूरा entire ये तो दबा दबा है क्या ना एक का तालो पहले ठीक हो सब members के पास. So you say that presently I am pursuing my PhD in agriculture की जहाँ भी वो अपन thesis और ना करेगा कोई करेगा.
Yes, sir.
Highest qualification only.
Okay.
ता कौन कौन सब कहाँ तक करेंगे 10th to 8th करते. Hello, number.
Sir, only highest qualification.
हाँ. I am continuing my PhD in this subject. सेटा टिके elaborate कर देगा अपन thesis कौन है सेटा कोई university को पहुँचेंगे. Second component ऐसी वो अपन करो जोड़ा कौन current status का तो अपन कौन highest qualification. Current status means whether you are in some employment, ठीक है जब SRF ऑप्शन एक कौन होती है और stipend घर का पाउचन जेटा अपन यदि full time prepare करते हैं तो currently I am preparing for competitive exams ही कौन से तो current status रहेगा. जो employed से कोई भी किमो या चाकरी करते जो माने fully prepare करते हैं सेंस ये सब करते. Third component ऐसे ना जो अपना hobbies. My hobbies include and our fourth component ऐसे ना achievements. So I am a gold medalist in post graduation from this university. I have qualified UGC, IRA, NET, JAVI, Segura Judge. Okay. It's a short लिखी I would get narrow down to three
Okay.
top achievements.
Okay, sir.
जोड़ा भी पूरा best achievements है हमारा थी. Okay. 3 की 4. छोटा कौन कोटे का था ना ताकू पढ़िया भी नहीं असुविधा हो. ठीक है. अब अपन छोटा achievements पहले बड़े को भी बहुत टाइम लगी जो 2 और 3 सेटा अपन बेस्ट 2 और 3 देखेंगे पहले.
Okay, sir.
तो बाकी सब ठीक है. यही चारिटा कंपोनेंट पढ़ जाता.
Okay, sir.
So okay fine. So today this is your second interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will be concentrating on the first page of your biodata.
Okay.
So tell me something about your home district.
Sir, I am from Mayurbhanj. Sir, Mayurbhanj got its name from two words, Mayur and Bhanj. And Mayur came from the Mayur dynasty of Keonjhar, and the word Bhanj comes from the Bhanja dynasty of Mayurbhanj. And sir, as because these two kings of the kingdom are very good friends, so the king of Mayurbhanj decided to give the place its name as Mayurbhanj. And sir, about the geographical entity of my district. The district is divided into two parts by the Simlipal hills in the middle. The eastern side is a bit slopey, and the western side is having plains. And the economical status of our state is that most of the livelihoods are earned from agriculture and collection and marketing of forest products, and it is a tribal dominated area. And regarding forest and forestry of my district, the area is it is the district having the highest largest in area in Odisha, and the forest cover is near about 39.3%, and it is home to the only one biosphere reserve of Odisha, that is Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. And various endemic species are found in Simlipal Biosphere Reserve, like the melanistic tiger, 90 species of orchids, Royal Bengal tiger, and it is also home to elephants as well. And so various NTFPs found here are sal and sal leaves, tendu leaves, mahua flowers, Buchanania langens seeds, and heel broom, honey and lakh, all these items, sir.
What are the major rivers in your district?
Sir, it's Pudhabalanga, Pudhabalanga river, sir, and
It originates from which place? What is the headwater?
sir, Barhepani waterfalls.
And where is its mouth? Where does it go to the Bay of Bengal, or it,
Yes, sir.
it goes to
Bay of Bengal.
So which exact place is its mouth? Can you tell me?
No, sir, I am unable to answer it.
Okay, that is one. Then other rivers of your district?
Sir, Baitarani.
Okay, and that starts from which place? Headwater of river Baitarani?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, fine. So you have a very good academic career.
Yes, sir.
So why are you leaving academics, and you are interested in joining administration? So also you are doing your PhD. So your expertise could have helped the common farmer. You could have done something in agricultural research and all. So why are you interested to change your field and come to administration, forest service? Give me some good reasons.
Sir, first and foremost thing, sir, I am passionate about forest service from the very beginning, since my childhood, sir. And sir, my parents and family are also very optimistic about my career in forest service or administrative service, and sir, I am very much interested in going in practical application of my studies, sir, because sir, in academic field I'll be only teaching students, but sir, here I can apply the practical things which I have learned from my academic career, and also I can help the tribals or people whatever I have learned from my career. This is the sir, reason why I have chosen to be in this line than academic line.
But whatever you have studied, your specialized knowledge, that will be wasted, because here the job will be mainly administrative. Here there won't be scope of research or doing something new. As an SCF, you have to manage the administration of the forest or the whatever work has been given to you. So your special knowledge, and higher level knowledge, that will go waste.
No, sir, that they don't go waste. According to me, sir, that don't go waste, because sir, SCF has not only administrative work, he has also many other works like sir, field visits and controlling subordinates as well, and sir, like legal procedures. These all are my applications of my subject, sir, because I have studied that legislation part, and sir, agroforestry, that part also, and sir, other soil, agriculture, all these things will be helpful in my career, sir. Definitely, sir, those will, I can apply it in my field also.
Okay. So you did your graduation from OUAT.
Yes, sir.
And post-graduation you chose Raipur. Why? Any specific reason?
Sir, actually I have given the ICR examination, Indian Council of Agricultural examination, and I have in forestry, sir, to admission to agricultural universities, that entrance examination for MSc. And sir, my all India rank was 20. So sir, I have given choice according to my rank. So sir, it has been given by me by ICR.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
you had given. So this is ranked higher than OUAT, this university where you are doing your, where you did.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is among the best 10th agriculture universities of India.
Okay. So, coming back to your home district, so can you tell me something about the forests in your district? What is the forest cover in your district?
Yes, sir. It's 39.3%.
39.3%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, suppose you are asked to give some recommendations in order to increase the forest cover. Okay. What would be those recommendations?
Sir, if I would be been given the chance to increase the forest cover, sir, first of all, I will, go for avenue plantations and sir, assisted forest regeneration plantations and sir, plantations in degraded lands or wastelands and sir, involvement of forest communities for plantation purposes and for the conservation and preservation of forest. Because sir, as it is a tribal dominated area, so sir, they have a good indigenous knowledge about forest and conservation efforts like for wildlife. So sir, definitely I would be involving them in my work so that they can help us in preservation and conservation of wildlife and forest in our state. And sir, definitely I will go for plantation activities like sir, avenue plantation, railway side plantation, roadside plantations and all. And sir, I will also work for sir, afforestation purposes and reforestation purposes in degraded lands.
Okay, that is fine. What are the major forest produce from your district, both timber and non-timber?
Yes, sir. Sir, in case of timbers, we have various species like Tixa tectona grandis, Sal that is Soria robusta, and sir Pterocarpus marsupium that is Bija sal, and sir Gamhar that is Malina arborea, and other important species are sir Santalum album that is sandalwood, and sir Pterocarpus santalinus that is red sandalwood, and other species that yields gum and resins like the Boswellia serrata, Enogenesis latifolia. These all are sir timber yielding trees as well as gum and resin yielding trees. Coming to sir NTAPs and all, we have sal leaves for platters and sir mahua seeds for oil extraction and mahua flowers for wine extraction or liquor extraction, and hill broom for sweeping and all, and sabai grass that is for coir handicrafts and toys making, and rest is sir honey and lakh cultivation, honey cultivation, and various other products like sir Buchanania langen that is chara seeds, and sir Emblica officinalis that is amla, and Terminalia chabula and Terminalia bellerica that are harida and bahada respectively. They are used for Triphala churn, and these all are sir NTAPs of my districts.
Okay, good. So, what are these, like you have stayed in Srujanika Girls Hostel. Srujanika, it is, what is the meaning of that term? It is named after some great person or no?
No sir, randomly sir.
There must be some name. And presently, Kadambari Girls Hostel. Kadambari, what is the meaning of Kadambari?
Sir, it's a river.
Where? In Chhattisgarh?
No sir, randomly we have 3 hostels like sir, one is Saraswati and sir other is Ganga, and our ICR hostel is Kadambari.
So if that is a river, then which part this river was there, or it's currently flowing? So, or it is like underground like Saraswati, or can you give me some information about that, about river Kadambari?
No sir. Yes sir.
अच्छा, अब सिटिंग पोजीशन तो अपन करो, hands clasp करके बसेंगे.
Okay.
तारा body language में तो माने डाला, like you are nervous.
Okay.
When you are nervous, then you are holding your hands.
Okay.
तो हाथ तो अपन गोड़ों पर बहुत रखिए, जब
Okay.
आंटू पर जब पहुंची आंटू पर रखिए तो block कर दे करिए, otherwise गोड़ों में रुकी होची. Okay. अब cross leg बसेंगे, straight leg बसेंगे, गोड़ों शांति की बसेंगे.
Okay.
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 Right. Without telling me the year of your, birth, okay? Your 15th March, that is your date and month of your birth. So 15th March. Tell me what is the importance of 15th March?
Sir, it is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day.
World Consumer Rights Day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any great personalities who were born on that day or who passed away on that day, nationally or internationally or even state?
Sir, about great personalities, I am not sure about but sir, one of our film actress, he was born in that day.
Film actors.
Yes, sir.
So एटा टिके dates सब dates से किसी ना किसी important person का.
Sir, actually I have seen it, sir, but sir, सेमानंकर सबू मैंने ये थिला sir, मैंने foreign किसी थिले.
Foreign नहीं मैंने, हमारा एक Indian, अगर foreign नहीं तो चले, like suppose Nelson Mandela है, ये type का जल्दी.
Okay.
World renowned ताहले लेने चले. Okay, otherwise हमें ओडिशा किंबा ये ऊपर ही concentrate करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
So these dates important. गोटे आपनकर birth date और गोटे आपन interview date. तो इंटरव्यू डेट रे भी आपण को जेते डेट आसी गलानी से पर्टिकुलर दिनटा काई इंपोर्टेंट आउ तार आगा बछ दिन काई इंपोर्टेंट से कोन से दिन पहुंच बुझ पाउछ
आज्ञा सर
सेटा टिके देखिबार अछि तापर के
सर वो सर्च करिथिले किंतु सर ओडिसा इंडिया रहते पाइली नहीं हां हां
ओके ठीक अछि मते व्हाट्सएप पे करिवे
आज्ञा सर
देखिए पठे देबे
आज्ञा सर
सो 10th you have done from Kendra Vidyalaya
yes sir
So, what is the motto of Kendra Vidyalaya and the insignia?
Sir, motto of Kendriya Vidyalaya is to impart good and proper education for the children of central government employees or those who are in military and paramilitary forces throughout the country.
That is fine. What I am asking is the insignia, the logo.
Okay, okay, sir.
And there is something written in Sanskrit.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember? What is that? And what does it mean? तो अपन जो यूनिवर्सिटी स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस तो पढ़े तारा इंसिग्निया का और तारा जो मोटो टा
हां सर इट्स तत्वम पुरुषम अपावरणो
व्हिच मींस
सर आई डोंट नो
तो सेटा भी नहीं है ठीक है कौन सा माने राइट ओके there was a controversy before 1 or 2 years regarding the prayer. Okay, the Kendra Vidyalaya prayer. So you remember what are the first 1 or 2 lines of your prayer?
Om Ashyatoma Sadgamaya Tamashoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma
So there was certain objections that it is a secular institution funded by central government.
Yes, sir.
So why shlokas from a particular religion should be there? What is your view regarding this? You understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Ashatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, sir, it's like enlightenment in our life. So, sir, I don't think it's something related to religious or like that. It's related to education. So, sir, we should be focused on education rather than religious aspects.
So you are okay with it?
Yes, sir. I am okay with it.
So, like your entire like from standard 1 to 10th, you have studied in Kendra Vidyalaya?
Sir, 1 to 12th.
1 to 12th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, plus 2 also you have done there. Okay. So, what are the co-curricular activities? There are so many co-curricular
Yes, sir.
activities.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, Kendriya Vidyalaya is actually famous for co-curricular activities and scopes and exposures outside the school also. So, sir, debate, essays, and sir, extempore, science olympiads, social science olympiads, mathematics olympiads, and anchoring, storytelling, singing.
What are those anchors called? There is a particular term used for them.
Host.
In Kendra Vidyalaya, no? There is a technical term. In short, that is MC.
I am.
You have heard that? Master of the ceremony?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have CCA activities where I have anchored. I have hosted the shows, but sir, I think that is a present concept, sir, because I left the school in 2011-12.
Okay. So,
sir, master in MC.
Master of the ceremony.
Okay.
Master of the ceremony, what we call host or anchor.
Okay.
Technically, that is called master of the ceremony. Okay, and so your friends or your cousins, they must have studied in different other organizations or institutes.
Yes, sir.
And you have studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya. What is the main difference you find between other schools and Kendriya Vidyalaya?
Sir, difference between other schools and Kendriya Vidyalaya. Sir, Kendriya Vidyalaya is a good scope in various other activities other than studies. And sir, we get a good facilities of expressing our knowledge and expressing our other talents as well. And so there is a good teacher associations, and throughout the India, sir, we get the teachers throughout the India from each and every corner of the country. And so exposures are various exposures are there, like sir, we go for science exhibitions to various clusters and various other states. And sir, good infrastructure facilities also, like sir, online classes, and sir, good libraries, and 3-4 terms of examinations, and coachings as well as after the school hour. And also sir, career counseling classes are also there, and every Saturday and Sunday we are having the co-curricular activities classes, special co-curricular activities classes, and sir, emphasis is also given to sports as well.
Okay. So similarly, for your graduation,
Sorry, sir.
college, can you tell me the insignia and the motto of the college? The logo and the motto of your college. The university.
Sir, regarding sir, that symbol, it is Krisak, sir. It's a crop and a plow, sir. And sir, insignia, sir.
Just go through that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And suppose your name of college is College of Forestry UVT. Okay, suppose government wants to rename the university, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, on a great figure from Odisha, maybe related to agriculture or forestry or any great figure. Okay. So, and they are asking for your recommendation. Whose name would you recommend and why?
Sir, any great personality?
Like you are having Jawaharlal Nehru University, or where you are doing, you have done your PG and you are doing your PhD. That is named after Indira Gandhi.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, suppose government is planning to name, okay, OUT, in the name of some great Odia personality. Who should that be and why?
Sir, I think it should be named after Biju Patnaik, because he has a lot of contributions towards Odisha.
But there are a lot of things in his name already, right?
Yes, sir.
Apart from him, you already have the technology university in his name, Biju Patnaik University of Technology.
Yes, sir.
So, anyone from agriculture and or forestry domain or life science domain?
Sir,
Any great biotechnologist, any great professor, in life sciences, agriculture?
sir, I know, sir, but from Odisha, I don't know, like MS Swaminathan. And sir.
MS Swaminathan is one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
And sir, botanist Lalji Singh.
From Odisha?
No, sir,
Not
from.
from Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you in favor of renaming institutions or naming institutions after personalities, or should it be more generic, like OUAT is there, or a college of forestry is there, OUAT. So it is not named after anyone. It is should educational institution, not only educational institution, sporting complexes, stadiums, etc., should be named after persons, or they should be more, they should not be named after someone. For example, your what is the full form of IGKVV?
Sir, Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya.
Okay. So, what has been the contribution of Indira Gandhi, okay, in agriculture or agriculture technology or agriculture education? Okay, why should it be named after her? Can you give me some reasons?
No, sir.
Yeah. So that was basically my question.
No, sure. I think it shouldn't be given in someone's name. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So same question would be for your college or PG university, the insignia and the logo. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go through that one. Right. Okay. What is the reason for your sharp drop of around 15% from 10th marks? 10th marks were very good, and plus 2 marks. Any specific reason?
Yes, sir. Sir, my parents were hospitalized at that time, and sir, I am the elder daughter of my family. I have 2 more sisters, so I have to manage everything at that time. So during my examinations.
Okay, there was some medical emergency.
Yes, sir. Both my parents are in hospital, sir, due to some health issues.
Okay. So I'll come back to your home district,
Yes, sir.
Mayurbhanj. So there are a lot of tribes in Mayurbhanj.
Yes,
Tribal
sir.
people are there.
Yes,
So what are the major tribes of Mayurbhanj? Tell me something about that.
sir. Santhals, Bhumija, Kons, and PVTG, 2 PVTG tribes, sir, like particularly vulnerable tribal groups. They are Mankidia and Khadia tribes.
Okay. And what steps has the government taken for their upliftment?
Sir, for their replacement to good places, like they are, sir, not getting basic amenities or basic facilities inside the forest in Simlipal. So, sir, they are given ROR, that is Patta. And they are also provided with basic amenities like Sujal Yojana and good road and schooling, and sir, Ujjwala Yojana, and sir, all these basic amenities are provided to them. And sir, they are also included in the JFM practices, like the joint forest management practices, along with the forest department. And sir, they are also given incentives, and their livelihoods are also empowered with all these things, sir. Like they are also given the process of, sir, how they will conduct the marketing and how they will process the NTAP products and where they will sell. Subsidies were given to them, sir.
Okay. So you have studied the Forest Rights Act.
Yes, sir.
So what are the special rights which are given to these indigenous people?
Yes, sir. Sir, they are given grazing rights inside the forest. They are given, sir, they are being given the collection of NTAPs or non-timber forest produces for their collection and sale, and others, they can also use agricultural practices like agroforestry practices inside the forest, where they will gain something from agriculture as well as they will protect the trees inside the forest. And sir, they are also allied to forest departments like JFMs and other BSS meetings are also given to them, where they coordinate along with the forest departments.
Okay. Suppose you are selected for this post.
Yes.
Okay, you see. And suppose you join. Okay. while in office, okay, you find that there are some of your subordinate employees, okay, who are regularly coming late to the office. Okay. They are otherwise they are okay, but regularly they are coming late to the office, and you have given them warning. You have told them that if they are coming late, then you will take action, but they are not, okay, considering it, not paying any heed to it. Okay. So what are you going to do? Considering the fact that you require the cooperation of your staff in implementing whatever work is given to you. So how will you handle this situation?
So first of all, I will let them know about the procedures and rules that he or she should be following inside the office. First 2-3 times I will let her or him know about all these rules and regulations, about the decorum and maintenance of rules and regulations inside the office. As a senior, I will definitely convey these messages to him or her. Then sir, if she or he didn't respond, then sir, I will warn her. This time I will warn her that please avoid all these things. And sir, again next time he or she is doing like this, then sir, I will inform it to my higher authorities. Sir, whatever he or she will give me instructions to do, I will do.
Okay. Currently, this Odisha Forest Department is in the news. Can you tell me why? Last 15-20 days, 1 month. Why is Odisha Forest Department in the news? Almost every day that news is coming.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's about the death of Assistant Conservator of Forest, Soumya Ranjan Mohanty.
Okay. Soumya Ranjan Mohanty, that is the name?
Sorry sir, it's Soumya Ranjan Mohapatra.
Okay, fine. So, last question would be, you said that Shimlipal, is there in your district. So, the recent forest fire in Shimlipal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what were the lacuna from the authorities' side? And suppose you are given the charge of that area, what steps will you take to ensure that such a thing does not recur again? And if you know, you can tell me about the estimate of damages due to this forest fire.
Okay. Sir, first of all, coming to the lacunas. So the lacunas are improper vigilance about that area by the forest department. And so second thing is that reckless human activities, like sir, picnic activities and other, like if they are putting fire and they are forgetting to extinguish it, and BD cigarette using, and other reckless activities like sir, if they are collecting NTAPs, they are putting fire to the ground so that they can collect the NTAPs clearly. And so sir, as an officer, sir, the steps I would be taking to control all these things is that first of all, I will involve the tribal groups present in Shimlipal area, sir. So if sir, I will involve them, then they would help me, because sir, they are present there and they are living there. So sir, they can give me information timely. And so second thing, I will prepare groups of my staffs and assign them to vigilant about that area. And sir, camera traps can also be sir done in some certain areas which are prone to fires. And so damages to Shimlipal are like there are certain wildlife species like the chital, axis deer, and various other hill mynas, and sir, egrets and other species of trees like sir, various sal forest and other shrub species. They all sir caught fired in that Shimlipal forest fire. So there is a great and huge loss to that area. But after the rain, sir, it extinguished by its own.
Okay. So that will be the end of the interview.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
ଆପଣ ଆଜିର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁର ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଆନ୍ସର ତ ଠିକ୍ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ ଉତ୍ତର।
Yes, sir.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ଯୋଉ
Universities.
यूनिवर्सिटीज और स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस से पढ़ी तार हिस्ट्री ऊपर टिके देखिबे, तार इंसिग्निया ओके
Yes, sir.
सेही पार्ट टा टिके देखिबे।
Yes, sir.
और डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो आपण भलो प्रिपेयर करिसंती ओके, आउ जते प्रिपेयर करिवे सेटा विल बी फाइन। ठीक अछि।
Yes, sir.